So next is what you mean by 1 volt. That is the SI unit of potential difference. Okay, so 1 volt is nothing but 1 volt is the potential difference across 2 points when 1 joule of work is done in moving 1 coulomb of charge from one point to another point. Okay, so once again I will repeat, 1 volt is the potential difference across 2 points when 1 joule of work is done in moving a charge of 1 coulomb from one point to another point. Suppose I have substituted in a formula, that is V is equal to W by Q, right? That is the definition of potential difference. The amount of work done in moving a unit charge from one point to another. That is the definition of potential difference. So I have the formula, that is V is equal to W by Q. So W is 1 joule and Q is 1 coulomb. So 1 by 1 is 1 volt. That is the SI unit. Okay. So 1 volt definition is this much. Okay. And the device used to measure potential difference across any 2 points is voltmeter. Okay, so the device used to measure potential difference is voltmeter. And remember the point, voltmeter is always connected in parallel in any circuit. Okay, so ammeter is connected in series, voltmeter will be always connected in parallel because we are measuring the voltage between 2 points. Okay, we need not to find the voltage across whole circuit. That is identified by the battery. How much volt battery you are using, that will give the total voltage. But across any component, resistor, bulb, any component, we need to find out the voltage, how much voltage is taking, how much voltage is that bulb is taking. So across those 2 points of the bulb we have to connect the voltmeter, then we will get to know how much voltage is consumed by that component. That's why it is connected in parallel. Okay, so next I will take the second problem in your textbook, that is example 12.2. so it is in page number 96. Read the question. So I have a given here, so that is whatever given, similar to the last problem how we solved this also. First of all, what you have to do, what is given you have to write out, that is Q is equal to 2 coulomb, it is given. V is equal to 12 volt, that is also given in the question. So in the question they have asked how much work should be done. So work should be done means what you have to find out, you have to find out the W is equal to how much, right? So we have the formula. If you see these three quantities, there is one formula, that is V is equal to W by Q, right? So V is equal to W by Q, I substituted, but I want W, right? Again we have to rearrange it. So whenever problem is given, you will get the formula, but what quantity you have to find out, to that you have to rearrange the formula. That technique you have to remember. Okay, so by rearranging it, we will get W is equal to, that is I'll take Q to the left hand side, then it will be multiplied V into Q. So that is 12 into 2. So V is 12, Q is 2. 12 into 2 is 24, and the unit for work done is joule. Okay, so that is how you will solve this problem. Okay, so I have clarified you what is 1 ampere and which device is used to measure current in a circuit, and what is 1 volt, which device is used to measure the voltage in a circuit. Okay, remember these points. So next topic is nothing but circuit diagrams. So I have given already you the work of doing the symbols, circuit symbols I have given you once as a notes. So I will take up next concept is that one, circuit symbols we are using in any circuits. Okay, so while drawing in a notes or any book, we need the symbols. Okay, we can't draw the diagrams of exact pictures of the components which we are using in the experiment. So we have different kind of symbols to identify those components. Okay, I'll explain about that.